Imagine this. It's 2026. You wake up. No boss, no commute, no team Slack blowing up at 9:01 a.m. But you're still getting paid. Not because you're lucky, not because you went viral, and definitely not because you built a startup. You built something smaller, quieter, and far more dangerous to traditional jobs. A one-person business. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to hear. The fastest way to make money today is not climbing a career ladder. It's not launching an app. And it's not passive income. It's selling a very specific outcome to a very specific person using leverage instead of labor. And right now, the window is wide open because the economy quietly changed, not in headlines, in incentives. Companies don't want employees. They want results. They don't want potential. They want solved problems, and they want them on demand. That's why this matters now. In 2020, remote work broke offices. In 2023, AI broke white-collar certainty. In 2025, layoffs normalized instability. By 2026, the safest position isn't employment, it's optionality, the ability to earn alone. So let's talk about the fastest path, not the prettiest, not the most exciting, the fastest. It starts with a mistake most beginners make. They ask, what business should I start? That's the wrong question. The correct question is, who already has money and what problem are they already paying to make disappear? Because money doesn't move for ideas, it moves for relief. A one-person business is not built on passion, it's built on friction. Something slow, something annoying, something expensive. Here's the simple system. 3 pieces, no more. 1, a painful problem. 2, a simple deliverable. 3, distribution you control. Most people fail because they start with none of these. They start with a brand or a logo or content with no buyer. That's backwards. Let's make this concrete. Imagine a small accounting firm, 5 partners, 50 clients. Their biggest pain isn't taxes, it's onboarding. Every new client means emails, documents, follow-ups, manual data entry. It's boring, it's repetitive, and it steals billable hours. Now imagine you come in with one promise. I will reduce your client onboarding time by 60% in 30 days. Not a service list, not a pitch deck, just that outcome. You build a simple system. Forms, automations, checklists, AI where it actually helps. You charge $3,000. Here's the math people ignore. If it saves them 10 hours a month per partner, that's 50 hours. At $200 an hour, they make their money back in 1 week. This is the hidden mechanism. Price is irrelevant when ROI is obvious. That's why one-person businesses scale faster than startups. No investors, no payroll, no meetings about meetings, just value to payment. But here's where hype lies. Social media tells you to build audience first, to post daily, to wait months. That's content creator logic, not business logic. Audience is leverage, not a prerequisite. The fastest builders do the opposite. They sell first, then build systems, then maybe create content later. Uncomfortable, but true. Now let's talk about speed. The fastest path is not learning everything. It's narrowing aggressively. One niche, one problem, one offer. That's it. If you serve everyone, you serve no one. If your offer has options, it has friction. Speed comes from clarity, and clarity feels boring, which is why most people avoid it. They'd rather brainstorm than sell. Now the irony. The tools that make this possible are the same ones scaring people. AI didn't eliminate opportunity, it compressed it. What used to take a team now takes one person with judgment. AI writes, AI summarizes, AI automates, but it doesn't decide what matters. That's your edge. In 2026, execution is cheap, taste is expensive. Now, let's reveal the uncomfortable math. A one-person business doesn't need scale. It needs margins. If you charge $2,000 per client and handle 10 clients a month, that's $20,000. You don't need 100,000 followers. You don't need ads. You don't need virality. You need 10 yeses per month. That's it. But there's a trade-off no one talks about. You are the bottleneck. Your time, your decisions, your reputation. There's no hiding. If you don't deliver, it breaks immediately. That's the risk, and that's why it works. Because most people won't take that responsibility. They'd rather blend in. Now zoom out. What does this mean long term? Companies are unbundling roles. Specialists are replacing departments. Outcomes are replacing titles. The middle gets squeezed. Generalists with no leverage struggle. Focused operators thrive. This isn't good or bad. It just is. And one-person businesses sit right in the middle of this shift. They're flexible, they're quiet, they're hard to disrupt, but they're not passive and they're not easy. They demand thinking. So here's the final thought. In 5 years, the question won't be, where do you work? It will be, what problem do you solve? And the uncomfortable part, that question doesn't have a default answer anymore. You have to choose one. So the real question isn't how fast you can build a one-person business. It's how long you're willing to delay choosing what you're actually useful for.